Hello, welcome back. Today I am going to introduce you to some transcription details and some transcription conventions. And for this lecture, I just want to walk with you through this transcription template that I have uploaded for your reference. So if you click on this, you should be able to open a Word file that looks like this. And this is a standard transcription template with several headings that you can adjust to your particular to the particular project that you're working on. So for your assignment, you could have you could change this heading into like a YouTube title or something. Title debate on immigration. And if you have different versions or drafts of your transcript, you can mark that here for your reference. And here you can provide a brief description of who is talking with who. Gerardo Rivera with Michelle Malkin, so subjects, and the date where you did the transcribing, or no, rather, here is the date of where the YouTube video was posted, and here you type in the length of the transcription. And this is an optional thing. If you have a long stretch of video, this is helpful to give a reference on at what parts of the video your transcription comes from. And this is something that you might need if you will be doing field work, and maintaining the anonymity of your subjects is essential, so you would give them a pseudonym. But in this case, you won't need a pseudonym because YouTube is a public domain, and it is assumed that people who come out in YouTube are kind of exposing themselves, and whatever information that they give out in YouTube is public. Okay, so let me just go over this grid here. So if you have a video, you would mark your time here, and for your YouTube transcription, it doesn't have to be very detailed. You can just say, because the assignment is only 2 minutes, you can just be very general about it, like you can say 1:05 or something. And you have to enumerate every single line, and you have to type in the speaker's name. So like Gerardo Rivera or GR, and you can type in whatever he's saying, blah 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 blah. And the important thing here is that each column here should not have more than one line of sentences. So for example, I put typing, and oops, once you reach this point, go to the second line, type in 2, and continue writing, and so on. Let me see, Michelle Malkin, and then say blah blah blah. You are wrong. And then Gerardo Rivera says, I am right. You are wrong. Anyways, yeah, I just yesterday I saw a video of a debate between Gerardo Rivera and Michelle Malkin, which was really funny and scary. This column is sometimes used to mark for passages that you want the reader to notice. So it's usually marked as like an arrow. Oh shoot, I need to make it a little bit. Oh, one more. Just a minute. Oh shoot, never mind. Anyways, there's supposed to be an arrow there. Let me just move. Like this, which is shown to mark that this is an important part of what you're looking at. So you go down the columns, filling out your conversation, and suppose that you run out of columns. What do you do? Well, before you run out of columns, you can just add extra columns. You just highlight however number of columns you want to include and right click, insert, and insert rows below, and you'll get extra columns. And you can do that for however many columns that you need. And at the end of this document is a handy guidelines to some transcription symbols that you can use. For this transcription assignment, you can be as specific as you can be. I am not going to require any particular level of specificity as long as you provide some consistent way of marking some interesting aspect of communication that you would like to convey to the reader. Okay, so I hope this helps you get started with the transcription assignment for this weekend, and I will be available through email, and you can also consult with your classmates on D2L and with your group mates. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later.